How to edit a destination. In this video, we would like to demonstrate how to edit a destination. If you are working with a destination that already exists, it is generally unnecessary to make further edits, as the associated photo and introduction are usually already done. However, if you are creating a new destination, we will quickly guide you through the editing process. First, you can modify the destination's name, which is in most cases unnecessary. But what is nice to have and you can add is a subtitle. For example, Prague is often referred to as the mother of cities or the city of gold, and you can adjust the text accordingly. A nice subtitle for Cali would be City of Salsa Rhythms. Additionally, you have the option to change the cover photo associated with the destination. Please note that for each destination, you can use only one cover photo. And there are several rules. A photo of a minimum quality of 1280 to 720 pixels and a ratio of 4:3 should be landscape-oriented. Bear in mind that the cover photo is the first thing that most of the visitors notice, so be patient with choosing. The photo must ideally show a highlight of the destination and must be recognizable even if the photo is very small in a thumbnail. Please don't use a bird's-eye view or map of the entire city, no watermarks, logos, or other graphic signs, and no black and white. Ensure that you properly attribute the source of the photo if it was taken by you, and even more importantly if you use a photo of someone else, by including the name or link as the source. You can add keywords for search in the app as well. And now, the destination is edited.